Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change default payment methods on the Best Buy app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your default payment method. Maybe you're sharing accounts with another family member, maybe you're sharing it with your spouse, and you want to change your default payment method. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is open up the Best Buy app here. Now, after it's finished loading, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on your profile icon name. And then on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on payment methods right over here. So by clicking on payment methods, you're going to see the option here where you can add a payment method or you can edit an existing payment method. So we're going to go ahead and click on add payment method. And this is where you can enter your credit or debit card information and your billing information. But towards the bottom, you're going to see this checkbox on all payment methods that says save as default payment method. So if you check that box and then click on add payment method, that is how you go ahead and change the default payment method on the Best Buy app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.